Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Apify to N8N for web scraping. First, go to the N8N website and make sure you log in into your account. Now click on Create Workflow to start building a new automation. Then click on Add First tab. In the search bar, tap Apify, but you'll notice it doesn't appear in the list of built-in integrations. So instead, type HTTP and select the HTTP request node. Here, choose a method you want to use, like get, post, put, or delete, depending on the type of request you want to send to Apify. Next, enter the Apify API URL you want to connect to. After that, choose the authentication type. You can go with predefined credential type or generic credential type based on your setup. Then, pick the right credentials from the list. You can also toggle on or off the option to send query parameters, headers, or a body depending on what Apify requires for the specific request. Once everything is filled out, click on Execute step to run the request and test your connection with Apify for web scraping. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.